2020. Everything's got rod knock.
6 foot. It's knocking.
What's up, guys? For real though, this is the second SR with rod knock we pulled in the last week. So we got this thing in. This is a customer's car. This thing is really sick. I don't know if we've really showed this car, but it's Origin Type 3. I can't remember the actual arrow that it is, but everything's molded. You can see here, everything is molded on this car. Like, these are 55 millimeter overs molded into the door. Like, whoever did it did a really good job. You get the Rocket Bunny wing. This car is super cool, super seats, all a bunch of Johnnies. This thing's supposed to make like 500 some horsepower on E25.
That's why it's got rod knock, baby.
And that's why it's got rod knock. No, it has been sitting for 3 years. Apparently it's changed hands a few times. I finished wiring it up the other day, got it running, and immediately rod knock. So we're gonna pull it out, strip it down, take a look at what's going on with it, and that's where we're at. It's a bummer, but it's pretty easy to pull those. We got the other SR in here, unless they already took it to the Kowalski's. Got this disassembled the other day. Everything's looking pretty good, except for, you can see here, number one's a little chewed up, but it's really not that deep. So hopefully we can get that polished out. Other than that, everything's looking good. You can see here, number two. We're thinking that what was happening is it was detonating and causing that piston to just smack against the crank. We think we know why that is, but we're gonna have to kind of double check. Obviously we don't want to rebuild an engine and have the same thing happen, so we want to know why it was doing that in the first place, which we believe we know, and then we're gonna go back together. Head looks good.
That's great.
CJ, what you doing?
Well, they got these fans here. They are hardwired into the car, so I'm just gonna see if I can take back some of this electrical tape that they got going on here, and I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna tape it so I know what it goes to, and then probably get it back on the car when we get the motor back in.
The center has the ball first, and quarterback will say hike.
What is Bobby Boucher? That's who you sound like.
It's the devil.
Josh, what are you working on?
Nothing.
You ain't doing nothing.
No, just kidding.
No, we got this car in.
That thing is nice.
This thing's rad.
It's okay. It's okay.
He said it's okay. Josh doesn't like anything, so if he says it's okay, you're doing something. We're doing cams on this one, so I think Josh is just kind of getting started on some of that stuff.
Pretty good. How you doing?
And got some pretty sweet downpipes, some mines.
Look at it.
Park that 7.
Park that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Look at that.
Ankle length. Those make it sound so good though.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they hot.
Oh yeah. And then we got Scheimer's car over here. It's pink, guys. It's just Photoshop. It's we'll call it. No, this thing's cool. We're putting new cams in this. Josh has done some like scientific work. We've got the Kelfer cams that you guys saw last video or a couple vlogs ago that are going in there. I think we're waiting on shims, or Josh needs to find the shims or something. All right, we got them coming. That's what he says. So we've got cams going in that one. Cam's going in that one, pulling this so it can get, well, we got to see what's wrong with it, because
She was knocking.
she was knocking hard. I don't know, apparently it hasn't run in 3 years, so who knows. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. She's out, baby. So, man, this thing's pretty clean.
Not too bad. Just a little cleaning.
A little dirty, but like, I mean, looks good. So, yeah. We'll get the trans off of this thing and we'll get it mounted up to the stand. I think we need to get the other SR off that stand because that's the only SR bolts that we have to mount to a stand. So, we're going to get that going and we'll catch up to you guys about this and the status of it when we get it all torn apart and stuff like that. So, we're tearing apart this SR. As we've gone through it, it's just slowly gotten worse and worse. That's not what you want. Where's the lower or the upper oil pan? There it is. So check this out. This is all metal.
That's all bearing material.
Yep.
She's toasted.
So that's not good. So sometimes we have to show you guys this stuff. Like, dang, this is real bad.
Show them the hot spots, Dan. Explain.
Oh yeah, hot spots means
Oh my gosh.
it was run without a bearing for
Quite a while.
yeah. So
Sick. So, time for a stroker kit.
So yeah, we're gonna get it. We're gonna keep working, but I just had to show you where we're at. We'll get these pistons out, then we'll show you what's left of the bearings. Oh baby,
Where's that mallet?
let me get there.
There we go.
Use your zipper tool.
All right, baby, show me the bearing. Show me the bearing. Where is it?
What bearing?
Ooh, baby.
That's not that bad, guys.
Golly, dude.
Oh yeah. Some thick ass eagle rods with some
Look at this heat,
bicycle pistons.
too, all the way even through the bottom.
Ah, it's so burn. Okay.
You see it?
That's just when you need to get you just need new bearings, so you just weld it to your crank. Oh man.
She is on there.
Oh, yeah, that's really on there.
To make some crazy
Let's just go through it. Number one, not looking so hot. Not looking so hot. Number two, there was one part of the bearing, but it was welded to the crank, so that's completely busted too. Number three, that was turning there and it was smashed. It was about to start breaking and it was spun. Not looking so hot. Number four, you saw that one.
Dan, try to
Still in there. Oh my god.
These bearings must be toast too.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That is way too hard. Alright, so we're gonna get these main caps off and then we'll show you those too. Mains don't look awful, they're definitely spun. Luckily I think we don't need a new block, which is a good thing because that's the thing we were issued with. I think it was 4 that one was real bad. But luckily none of them actually spun on the crank, so I think the block is okay. It's probably gonna have to be bored because there was Josh, you can feel this too.
I like filling holes.
Oh my god. But no, feel that it's at 80, 87 right now. So I mean we can go that much bigger with it. That's about all we can do. So we'll see. We might still end up getting a block, but it just depends on what this dude wants to do. I mean, everything's gonna have to be rebuilt on this motor. So, but we do have an RB26 back there.
I don't know what they're for.
We do have an RB26.
Looks like a factory.
Yeah, we
I don't
should
know.
do that.
We should do an
Supposed to do
RB26.
that with the
Guys.
centric.
Hey, can we talk this dude into doing an RB26?
Guys, we have a customer that says he's gonna buy that RB26 already.
Dang it.
Fast.
Dude, RB26 240 would be pretty rad.
Oh, it might
Oh,
be
good
for
night.
this stuff.
They'd be pretty
definitely-
gangster.
I mean, it's a wide body
maybe.
car already.
Oh, yeah, I
so
mean-
add a real engine to it, and that something should be nice.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's that for that, guys. Now we gotta. Now we're gonna pull this one apart, and then we're gonna get to it. So,
It's the
yeah.
block.